Hi, I'm Turf Tax. I'm the creator of Open Muscle. Open Muscle is a prosthetic sensor suite aimed at trying to solve the prosthetic sensor problem with artificial intelligence. The whole point is that since artificial neural networks are so effective in finding patterns, that I wanted to get as much data as we can from able-bodied individuals, compile a database of this training data with the labels, which fingers the person is moving. And with these data sets, we should be able to have a very robust and efficient artificial neural network that can be applied to inexpensive sensor solutions for everyone around the world. This bracelet was an idea that I had to actually just use pressure sensors radially around the forearm to detect the muscle contractions for when there's finger movement. If you move your fingers, you can feel the muscles actually get firm in the forearm. That's because the muscles that move the tendons that give some mobility to the fingers reside in your forearm. My thought was that if I could build a sensor for someone that had a missing hand but still had an intact forearm, that could improve the lives drastically. This is open source and open hardware, meaning that it's free for everyone. Any company can use it for whatever purpose they wish for profit or not. I wanted to develop a system and give a proof of concept to the world, and I do believe that I met that. It is my belief that that if we can increase the joy and decrease the suffering in humanity, that we should put forth an effort, and this is just my effort. I invite you to join me in my pursuit and trying to increase joy and decrease suffering however we can. So if you're an engineer, you're a student, or this is something you're passionate about, please join Open Muscle. More information is on the website. Follow, like, and subscribe my content if this is something that you enjoy, and I'd like to hear back from you. Let's see if we can make a positive difference in this world.